How to remove someone from Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove someone from Facebook Messenger. Now, in order to be able to remove someone from Messenger, you can either unfriend them on Facebook and then delete the chat from Messenger, or the other way around is if you block them. Now, to do so, what you want to do is open up the Messenger app and you'll get the list of chats here. You can either search for the particular person right here, or in this case I'll just show you an option here. If you want to remove a certain person or the certain user that is in your chat list, what you want to do is tap and hold on the profile name, and here you'll get the option to block. Now, before blocking, you can see here you'll get an option to restrict right here, and here you can see list of Roshan without blocking them. Now, if you do this, you can see they'll be moved out of sight on your chat. They won't appear on your online active status list, or they won't appear in your chat list. You won't be able to see their active status. You can see hide your activity, and they won't be able to see it either. If you want to remove them just from your messaging list or Messenger, then you can see the first option, block messages and calls, and you can just block messages and calls, and they won't be able to see your Messenger activity. They won't be able to see whether you are active. They won't be able to text you, and even if they text you, you won't receive them, and they won't be able to call you. So this way you can remove someone from Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.